Good morning, guys! So, it's our 8th and last day here in Korea. Ayan, so kaming dalawa lang ngayon ni Mommy yung lalabas. Magsha-shopping kami kasi Daddy doon na lang siya sa hotel. Napagod na. So, ayan, magbubus tayo papuntang Myeongdong. Malapit na lang rin naman na siya. So, ayoko pa umuwi. Ayan, so tatawid na tayo. Lower seats, yung mga pang PWD, pregnant, and seniors. And so kung may pumasok na lang ng mga matatanda or those who are in need, tumayo na lang tayo para sila yung makaupo. Ayan, so punta na muna tayo dito sa line, friends! 안녕하세요, 라인 프렌즈입니다. Mirror. Ito yung gusto ko, si Koya. Kasi ang cute-cute ng koala. Cute! Ang cute! The hotel na hindi naman talaga hotel, store lang siya.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's too. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's peeking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true numb. Crying getting old, hope you freed your soul, I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah, just some.
Dreams can last forever, 'cause I still dream of you. And waking up together is like heaven made for two. All the other guys got cash for days, I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name on them.
Dami mga cute, ano dito. Meron pa dito mga magnet,
Even though my love for a single
stationery, pencil case, cute. So, meron din silang mga beauty products. Mga face mask, tsaka hand cream, pop rings for your phones. Sobrang daming cute. Na-overwhelm ako.
I just wanna love you. I don't wanna waste even another day, I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. Time, yeah. All the other guys got girls for days, I don't really care, 'cause all my days got your name on them. Sign your name on them. Pick it down for your hand, girl, this is it. Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you.
Cute bag.
I just wanna love you.
Mga 2020 planner.
I don't wanna waste even another day, I don't wanna wait any longer. I just
More cute stuff.
wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body. Yeah. I just wanna love every time we say sorry. Yeah. Big it that for your hand, girl, this is it. Saving all my love for a single ring with your name on it. And I ain't sorry, no, I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. Yeah. I don't wanna waste even another day, I don't wanna wait any longer. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every inch of your body. I just wanna love you. I just wanna love every time we say sorry. I just wanna love
kissing you with my eyes open. But you said, keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, okay, okay. Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you.
Ayan, so dito tayo nag-cafe ng isang araw sa Innisfree. Medyo pricey lang yung mga food nila kasi masarap naman. Ayan, so pupunta na tayo sa Lotte Mart.
It might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me.
Dito tayo ngayon. Tapos punta tayo dito. Ito mamaya for grocery. Oh my gosh guys, ang laki ng crab. Wait lang, hindi ko mapakita eh. Ito lang yung finger ko. Shit, baka kagatin niya ako. Okay guys, so while waiting for lunch, subukan natin itong binili natin garlic bread sa may supermarket. Super bango niya. And ang laki niya. Laki niyo. Oh.
Need another double. She got an attitude. I call her pineapple, yeah. She's sweet with sour moods. I guess she's all that. My little girl got a sour side.
Cream cheese yung sa gitna. Sobrang sarap guys. Favorite ko talaga garlic bread. Na spicy beef at saka noodles na mami. Para siyang Indomie. Char. Yan. Date with mommy. Kain tayo.
Got an attitude. I call her pineapple, yeah. She's sweet with sour moods. I guess she's all I'm after. She'll take a slice and look inside. The sweet, the sweet, the nice, the harmless vice, the cold as ice. I need my pineapple consistently. I even need she's around. She's sweet on sign and then she's sour. Just waiting, I wait, my little flower. And every time that she's around, she's sweet on sign and then she's sour. Just waiting, I wait, my little flower. She might be everything I need, but she's so sour, yeah. But she's so sour. If only she was just as sweet.
Gosh, hindi ako makadecide. Itong Fila or yung New Balance. Gawin ko lang gusto magkaroon ng chunky shoes.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking. Give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore, anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to anymore, anymore. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to.
Nagsisimula pa lang yung araw dito sa Myeongdong Night Market. Ooh. Goodbye, Myeongdong food!
We never skipped class.
Pauwi na kami sa Philippines. Buti na mag-cash kami dito sa limousine taxi. Laki niya, guys. Takot na si na mami na magdadalawang taxi. Magkahiwalay.
Tell me something new. Oh, you can tell me something new. I don't feel how I used to.
Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartbreak. Tell me why.